Okay, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be building $1,000 gaming PC. It's gonna have very high-end components. Uh, I don't know actually what it's gonna have because I'm building it along with you. So here you go. So we're gonna go choose CPU. We're gonna go AMD Ryzen. For cheaper builds, we might go with a 5 Gen 5 3600, or I think there's a 2600 right here. Yeah. Uh. So let's look at the core count. So they both have 6, 3.4, 3.6, it's boost clock, 3.9, 4.2. So does it have integrated graph? No, it doesn't. So we might go with, what's the price difference? So it's only a $10 difference. So we're definitely gonna go with the Ryzen 5. So I already searched up. This one already comes with a stock cooler, so we don't need to get an excess one. We're gonna choose a motherboard. So let's scroll down. We're gonna choose the Gigabyte B550M DS3H, which is $95, and we're gonna go through, see what kind of memory. So yeah, DDR4 memory. So we're gonna go back, and it's gonna load up, and we're gonna choose that one. So add. Scroll down. We need to choose our RAM. So the compatibility filter already chooses the DDR4 RAM. We're definitely not gonna be getting up to 128 gigs. Probably gonna be somewhere around 16, most likely. So I'll look through. That's looking good. Only $84. Ooh, crucial. What's the speed difference? No, it's the same speed. What's the price per? Actually, we're gonna go with this Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigabyte. It's faster than the other ones that I've seen, that I saw in there. We're gonna choose storage. We're probably gonna go with the Barracuda 2 terabyte if it's on here. Yeah, right there. So wait, yeah, this is storage. We're not gonna choose an SSD. Actually, we are gonna choose an SSD. So we're gonna go with this 970 Evo 500 gigabyte. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go 500 gigabyte. We could upgrade it at the end. Let's go look. Add additional storage. The Barracuda compute. Ooh, it went down $2. $2. Video card. We're probably gonna go with, I think 1650 is too expensive. Yeah, a lot of these are sold out. I think the 1050 Ti looks good. Probably gonna go with the 2 fan. So with this, looks good. We might go. Are there any others that are that price? Oh, let's go with this one. Yeah, looks fine. No, no. Don't get a graphics card under $100. Never. They're dookie. We're gonna scroll. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to get this. Where is it? Sure. Probably gonna go with this Gigabyte. You can read that. It's the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. We're gonna add that to cart. So there we go. We're gonna go down here. $813. All we have to do is choose a case and a power supply. So with PC Part Picker, it has a lot of other stuff. So the optical drive, that's gonna be Windows. But once you build the PC, it's gonna have Windows, but it's not gonna be like installed, and so you're gonna have to install it yourself. So we're not gonna get an optical drive because that might kick out the price too much. So 813, we're probably gonna go with the NZXT H510 case. because that's only like 70 bucks. Where is it? Yeah, right at the top. Right there. Are we going black or white? Black. Black. We're going black. Tempered side panel. That's good. It's only about 900. Oh, we have a little bit more. So, power supply. Probably can go with something, probably a bronze plus. So, 80 plus bronze. Have any fully modular? Okay, we're probably gonna go with this one, the EVGA BQ, 600 watts semi-modular. We're gonna add that to cart, and then our total is like, yeah, so 960. So the link for this list will be in the description. You can, if you have a more flexible budget, you can add stuff. If you can find something like any peripherals, headphones, keyboards, mice, speakers, webcams, anything you might want to add. You're most likely not gonna get a monitor under $1,000, or with the PC under $1,000. So I think this is our build. We got the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, the Gigabyte B550M, micro ATX. We're gonna go with, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 3600 RAM. We have the Samsung 970 EVO 500GB M.2, the Seagate Barracuda Compute 2TB 3.5-inch 7200 RPM internal hard drive, the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4GB video card, NZXT H510 ATX mid-tower case. So also, let's click on this. So it's an ATX. ATX is one of the larger motherboard sizes. Let's get rid of that. So ATX is one of the larger motherboard sizes, and so this is the motherboard form factor. It holds the ATX, micro ATX, or the mini ATX, and we have a micro ATX, so it'll fit in our case. That's the compatible. Okay, I didn't check that compatibility. So the bad thing has a front panel, not sufficient USB 3.2, so that's fine. The Gen 2 Type C port will not be usable. That's fine. But we're in. Yeah, so everything's fine. The heat spreaders are no problem. Yeah, so this is a pretty good build. If for just $1,000. You don't have to have the 2TB internal hard drive, but I like to have it. If you got rid of that, you could probably This is probably gonna be better for gamers. This is also for storage of multiple other games. So if you're just gonna be playing one game, like let's say Warzone, any Call of Duty, any bigger games, you're probably gonna go with the 1TB SSD. This is definitely one of the fastest SSDs out there for the price, $139. Look at the caches. So this is SATA. Samsung is probably one of the faster SSDs you can buy. So we got the one for $140. Let's see what the price is. $975. There you go. Right there. So this is gonna be a pretty good build. So in this case, so let's go to nzxt.com, which is what has the case. So on NZXT, they have the starter PC series. We're gonna explore that. They have 3 different types for different budgets. We have the starter, which is gonna be 700. We're gonna have the starter plus, starter plus, starter pro. So with this one, let's go to the components. We have the Intel. It's not AMD. So Intel CPU i3 9100F. GPU is going to be the same one that we have on ours, except it's going to be MSI. Unless, is ours MSI? No, it's going to be Gigabyte, so it's not going to be MSI. We're going to have, this one's going to have slower RAM, but it is like $300 cheaper, so probably going to expect that. Western Digital 500 gigabyte M.2 SSD. The same case that we have on ours, the B365 motherboard. That's on all of them. But if we're mainly looking at this one, it has a Deepcool GameX GTE V2 CPU cooler. So they're not using the stock cooler that comes with their CPU. And then for power, they have a 450 watt bronze PSU, or also known as power supply unit. Accessories, it has Wi-Fi, so their board is not Wi-Fi, so they have to have Wi-Fi installed on it. Or no, Wi-Fi piece. They're gonna have Windows 10 Home, 2-year warranty on all parts and labor. Features. Here. Yeah, I won't show it. RGB, Wi-Fi ready, Bluetooth, USB-C port on the front I/O panels. The case is not functional, which is the problem we have with this case. It's not VR is not recommended for this configuration. This build will be capable of streaming most games in 720p with 60 FPS internet speeds permitting. Games can be streamed at 60 FPS when running at 60 plus FPS. So here it's a cheaper build, about $300 cheaper. The starter plus, I think it's under $900. The main reason I chose to get this instead of the NZXT is because I like building my own PCs. I've built 3 of them so far. I bought one of them, which is going to be it's going to be their Digital Storm Lumos. It does not look like it does in the picture, which I wish it did, but it doesn't. Desktops. Their Lumos is right here. I mean, like 1500, right? I think that's what I bought it for. No, yeah. So, like, almost 1400. It's really good, except I sold it, and I'm trying to save up to buy this Aventum or the Bolt. Oh wait, no, not the Bolt. Yeah, not the Bolt. The Aventum, which is going to be like one of the fastest ones I can find. And if we're going to try to configure one, we're going to have to choose the CPU. I don't think they offer Threadripper. Let's find out. They have any Threadripper series, or not series, just the Threadripper. So scroll down. We're gonna, yeah, they do have Threadripper. So view configuration. I think there's another row. View configs, ultimate. So this is literally the most actually the best gaming PC you could buy, I think, unless it doesn't have a 3090. Are you loaded? No. So we're gonna go down. Oh, whatever. So we're not looking at either of these right now. So this is our system that we are going. Actually, so I'm gonna set a like goal, 5K likes, and then we'll build this. 5K by the end of April. No, March. 5K likes by the end of March, and try to get the subscribers up. If you can't get as many subscribers as possible, tell your friends, anybody. Share this with people at school if you want to see this build. It'll be epic. I might have a little bit extra stuff in there. Just remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it or not. Which will be whatever. Like, subscribe. See you later. Bye.